Love, Hope, and Humanization in Education, Rethinking School Curriculum. If education is meant to cultivate wisdom, growth, and connection, then why do so many learning spaces feel cold, rigid, and impersonal? Why do we measure success by grades, ranks, and competition rather than by the depth of understanding, the strength of character, or the capacity to uplift others? If education is to be a force for transformation, shouldn't it be built on love, empathy, and the unwavering belief in human potential? Why do we still structure classrooms around hierarchy rather than collaboration? Why do so many students feel unheard, unseen, or undervalued in their learning journeys? If true education is about humanization, then shouldn't it empower individuals to see themselves as worthy, capable, and deeply interconnected with others? What would happen if students were taught not just facts and theories, but also how to care, how to listen, how to understand perspectives different from their own? And what of hope? Is education fostering it, or is it conditioning students to accept a future of limitations, inequality, and struggle? When students learn about history, about society, about the world, are they given only a lens of oppression, exploitation, and suffering? Or are they also given stories of resistance, resilience, and transformation? Shouldn't we teach that while injustice exists, so too does the power to resist it, to dream beyond it, and to build something new? If education does not teach hope, then how can it inspire change? But love and hope alone are not enough. There must also be action. If students are taught to value themselves and others, but are not shown how to act on that knowledge, to build communities rooted in justice, to challenge systems that dehumanize, then is their education truly complete? Shouldn't learning be a shared experience of growth, of co-creation, of lifting one another up in pursuit of a better world? If schools do not model cooperation, compassion, and mutual respect, how can we expect students to carry these values into society? And what of the educators? Are they encouraged to teach with kindness and humanity, or are they burdened by bureaucratic constraints that reduce their role to task managers, enforcers of discipline, dispensers of information? Shouldn't teachers be mentors, guides, and partners in learning rather than mere authority figures? What would happen if teachers were given the freedom, the support, and the encouragement to cultivate classrooms filled with genuine warmth, understanding, and shared purpose? If education does not humanize, if it does not nurture, if it does not empower people to see their own worth and the worth of others, then what is its purpose? If we truly believe in education as a force for justice, for transformation, for collective liberation, then we must ask, are we building a system that fosters love, hope, and connection, or one that enforces control, fear, and isolation? And if we find that the answer is the latter, then the next question must be, how do we begin to change it?